Have you ever wondered why some snake plant owners seem to have pots overflowing with baby plants while yours barely produces a single pup? The surprising truth is that fertilizer isn't always the answer. In fact, many healthy snake plants multiply naturally when they are given the right growing conditions. These tough and beautiful plants have evolved to survive in harsh environments, and sometimes too much pampering can actually slow down their natural reproduction process. The secret lies in understanding how snake plants grow underground through rhizomes and what encourages those rhizomes to send up new shoots. Today, we're revealing 6 simple tricks that can dramatically increase pup production without using any fertilizer at all. These methods are easy, budget-friendly, and suitable for both beginners and experienced plant lovers. Stay until the end because the final trick is one that many people completely overlook. Yet it can make a huge difference in how quickly your snake plant multiplies. Number 1. Give your snake plant bright indirect light. One of the most effective ways to encourage more snake plant pups is by increasing the amount of bright indirect light your plant receives. While snake plants are famous for surviving in low-light conditions, survival is not the same as active growth. In dim areas, the plant conserves energy and grows very slowly. However, when placed near a bright window with filtered sunlight, the plant can produce more energy through photosynthesis. This extra energy is stored and used to expand underground rhizomes, which eventually develop into new pups. East-facing windows are ideal because they provide gentle morning light without exposing the leaves to harsh afternoon sun. If natural light is limited, a grow light can also help support healthy growth. The key is consistency. When your snake plant receives enough light every day, it becomes stronger, healthier, and more likely to produce multiple pups throughout the growing season. Light is truly one of the biggest secrets to natural propagation success. Number 2. Keep the plant slightly root-bound. Unlike many houseplants that prefer extra room to spread out, snake plants often produce more pups when their roots are slightly crowded. When a snake plant feels comfortably confined inside its pot, it may direct more energy into reproduction rather than expanding its root system. This natural response encourages the underground rhizomes to generate new shoots around the base of the plant. If you constantly move your snake plant into larger pots, it may spend months focusing on root development instead of creating pups. A good rule is to choose a pot that is only slightly larger than the root ball. If the plant appears healthy and stable, there is usually no need to repot immediately. Many experienced growers intentionally keep mature snake plants in snug containers because they notice faster pup production. The goal is not to make the roots severely cramped, but to maintain a comfortable level of crowding that encourages natural multiplication while still allowing healthy growth. Number 3. Use well-draining soil. Healthy roots are essential for producing healthy pups, and that starts with the right soil. Snake plants dislike heavy, waterlogged soil because it can suffocate roots and cause rot. Instead, they thrive in a loose, well-draining mix that allows water to move through quickly while still retaining a small amount of moisture. A cactus or succulent soil blend is often an excellent choice. Adding perlite, pumice, or coarse sand can improve drainage even further. When roots receive plenty of oxygen, they remain healthy and strong, creating ideal conditions for rhizome growth. Since pups develop from these underground rhizomes, maintaining healthy roots directly impacts the plant's ability to reproduce. Poor soil can slow growth and reduce pup formation, even if every other aspect of care is perfect. Investing in a quality soil mix is one of the easiest ways to support long-term growth. Healthy soil creates a healthy foundation, and a healthy foundation often leads to more baby snake plants. Number 4. Let the soil dry completely between waterings. One of the biggest mistakes snake plant owners make is watering too frequently. These plants are naturally adapted to dry environments and prefer periods of drought between waterings. When soil remains constantly moist, roots may become stressed, reducing the plant's ability to produce pups. Allowing the soil to dry completely encourages stronger root development and healthier rhizomes. This cycle of drying and rehydration closely mimics the plant's natural habitat, where rainfall is often followed by extended dry periods. Before watering, check the soil several inches deep to ensure it is completely dry. Depending on the season and climate, watering may only be necessary every 2 to 4 weeks. Deep watering followed by thorough drying creates the perfect balance. Healthy roots become more resilient, and the plant responds by expanding its underground rhizome network. Over time, this often results in increased pup production and stronger overall growth. Sometimes, less water truly leads to more growth. Number 5. Rotate the pot regularly. Rotating your snake plant may seem like a small detail, but it can have a surprising impact on overall growth and pup production. Plants naturally lean toward their light source. If one side receives significantly more light than the other, growth becomes uneven. This imbalance can limit the plant's ability to distribute energy efficiently throughout all of its leaves. By rotating the pot a quarter turn every week or two, you ensure that each side of the plant receives equal exposure to light. Balanced light exposure promotes uniform photosynthesis, helping the entire plant remain healthy and vigorous. When all leaves contribute equally to energy production, more resources become available for rhizome expansion and pup development. In addition, rotating the pot helps maintain a symmetrical appearance, making the plant look fuller and more attractive. This simple habit takes only a few seconds, but can contribute significantly to the overall health and productivity of your snake plant over time. Number 6. Keep temperatures warm, and stable temperature plays a major role in how actively a snake plant grows. These plants originate from warm tropical and subtropical regions where temperatures remain relatively stable throughout the year. When kept in temperatures between 70 degrees F and 85 degrees F, 21° to 29 degrees, snake plants grow more actively and are more likely to produce pups. Warm conditions support faster metabolic processes, stronger root development, and healthier rhizome expansion. On the other hand, cold temperatures can slow growth dramatically. Drafts from windows, air conditioners, or frequently opened doors may stress the plant and reduce its energy for reproduction. Consistency is especially important. Sudden temperature changes can interrupt growth cycles and delay pup formation. During cooler seasons, moving the plant away from cold spots can make a noticeable difference. Combined with proper lighting and watering habits, maintaining warm temperatures creates an environment where snake plants feel comfortable enough to multiply naturally and produce an abundance of healthy new pups. Now you know the 6 powerful secrets to getting more snake plant pups without using a single drop of fertilizer. By giving your plant bright, indirect light, keeping it slightly root-bound using well-draining soil, allowing the soil to dry between waterings, rotating the pot regularly, and maintaining warm temperatures, you can encourage natural multiplication and healthier growth. The best part is that these methods are simple, affordable, and work with the plant's natural instincts rather than relying on artificial growth boosters. Remember, patience is key. Snake plants may grow slowly, but when the conditions are right, they reward you with strong roots, beautiful foliage, and plenty of baby pups. Try these techniques consistently, and you may be surprised at how quickly your plant begins to multiply. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more houseplant secrets, growing hacks, and indoor gardening inspiration. Happy growing, and see you in the next video!